everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Mardi Gras king cake bites. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and you want that softened. 1 cup of powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 2 cans that are 8 ounces each of the refrigerated crescent dinner rolls. Then for the glaze, we need 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, or I'm going to use French vanilla creamer because I just think that will be really yummy. And then you need your sanding sugar crystals here. So I'm using gold, green, and purple. You know, the purple stands for justice, the green for faith, and the gold or yellow for power. So there are mine. I went ahead and made my green. If you just take a Ziploc bag and pour some regular sugar in there, then use a couple drops of gel food coloring and work it around in the bag, voila, you have got sanding sugar crystals here. Or you could do it as dark or as light as you want. And like I said, if you don't have gold, you could use yellow too. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to preheat our oven to 350 and spray a cookie sheet with cooking spray. Alright, so next we want to beat our cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and lemon juice with a mixer until well blended. Alright, that looks great. I just went ahead and took a spatula and scraped down my sides and made sure the bottom was well incorporated. Now we are going to set that to the side and separate our crescent rolls into 8 rectangles and seal the seams. Okay, I'm going to do mine here 4 at a time. So this is what they should look like. And you know the little seam that comes out the bottom down through? You just want to pinch that together. And next we are going to just sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on each of these. Alright, that looks good to me. It says about 1/4 teaspoon for each one. I just eyeballed it. I mean, that looks good to me. So next we are going to take our cream cheese mixture and spread it down the middle of each of these lengthwise. So like this, all the way down. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So next we are just going to tri-fold it. So you want to fold this side over and then this side over. I'll do it and show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what it should look like. And next we are going to cut these into 4 even parts. Okay, mine are all ready to go to the oven. You just want to make sure you put those seams side down when you put them on there. And then we are going to go ahead and cook those 13 to 15 minutes. Okay, these just came out of the oven. I did let mine cook for the full 15 minutes. Now we are just going to let them cool slightly, and I went ahead and already made my glaze. I just took my cup of powdered sugar and my 2 tablespoons of creamer or milk, and I mixed those with an electric mixer just to make sure that all the lumps disappeared. So after those cool down just for a few minutes, they don't have to be completely cool, we are going to spread this glaze on top and then dust them with our sanding sugar. Okay, mine are all ready to go. When working with your glaze, you have to be fast. So I would suggest like 3 to 5 at the most. See, my beginning ones I tried to do a lot, and a lot of the colors did not stick. But these ones over here look really cute. So I'm going to put these up and see what Taste Tester thinks. These are all ready to go. So like I said, we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.